Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fancier. So today I just kept the desk clean, which feels really good. But that is not the case here. Today we are going to do an unboxing. So this product I bought it from Amazon for 998, and now it is selling roughly 899. So 100 rupee discount and great Indian sale. So the product is, it is a Petron's Fusion Evo. So it is a 10-watt speaker, which is a 5-watt two speaker stereo firing. So 30 to 52 driver and 10 hours of play time. So I will talk about the battery backup on this. We have 1200 1200 mAh battery and 5-watt input, and you also have an option to insert the memory card, USB drive, and 3.5 audio jack. So 5 meter of range, and it has a Bluetooth connectivity. In the front, in the top, we have a dual speaker, punchy bass, and a long battery life. And then we have Pooja Hegde. I don't know, everywhere we have her. Also inside there's a card. In that also they had the Pooja Hegde. I'm not sure, desperately they want to put it. Be loud, proud. First we'll unbox this, and then we will see one by one. So this is the typical unboxing experience, and for 899 rupees, this is actually good purchase. When the cheap 500 rupees Bluetooth speakers are sounds cheap, and the battery backup is questionable, and the connectivity range, it always disconnects and connects back. So when comparing to that, somewhat legitimate brand like Petron have this kind of product. I just bought it to fill it my desk, because the monitor that I have recently purchased is 24-inch. With that screen experience, the audio experience from my laptop is not matching that well. So I just decided to buy some sound bar, but in cheaper prices. I don't want to go for MI1 or something for 4 to 5,000. So I just chose for 1000 rupees budget, and this came handy, so I just bought it, and I'm actually happy about this purchase. So here we have the USB type A to micro USB cable. So here we are going to use the micro USB cable for charging. I thought we can get for something with the type C, because I have my mobile chargers type C, and other things also type C. So I thought, but I am unable to find any 1000 rupees sound bar which has the type C port. So I have to sacrifice price ranging with micro USB. Second, we have the aux control. So this is a really important thing for me, because in my monitor it has the 3.5 aux output. So I just connected this to directly to my monitor. So whatever input going through the monitor through the HDMI cable will also fire up this one. I will tell about the exact functionality, how it works. So we have the aux, and then the micro USB, and then we have the product itself. And here I said about the card earlier. So in this card they again kept Pooja Hegde. So this is different still, and this, and then here we have the operating guide and other stuffs, and warranty related things, which I am not going to go through. Also, some people will ask how much time is the warranty. 1 year of warranty. So Petron has a lot of service center even in my home. It is not only for Petron, the other brands like Portronics and Boat and other brands also uses the same service center who uses Petron. So those guys will collect all this one, and they will send it to appropriate brand's address, and they will wait for the products to deliver it. I had this after sales service experience with Potron. It is not that appealing, so that is there. Okay, we'll just unbox this. Here we have two plastic things to hold it up, and then we directly have the speaker. So first and foremost, I like this black matte somewhat rubbery finish in the top, and then the little bit matte plus glossy finish in the front, and then back again the rubbery finish, but it's fully plastic and it is solid, and weight is really great. When I'm holding it, I'm able to feel it has some good speaker system inside it. Here in the top we have 4 buttons, and then in the back side we have power on and off and aux, and then the USB pen drive. You can use it in this USB A port, and then you have the memory card slot, and then the input charging. This one has a 5 volt input, so which roughly take like 1 hour or I would say 1.5 hours to 2 hours to fully charge this one. You also have here you can see one small hole which will sorry, here it will emit it as a red color when you charging it. So that's what about charging. And this button, we have 4. So the first one is it's a mod button, so you can change a different mode. And the good part about I found this is when you connect to the aux cable, it will directly open in aux mode. If there is no aux mode, means it will automatically open to Bluetooth mode. That is really great. So I just has to turn on the button, and it will I can hope that it will automatically open in the same mode that we need as of that instance. And we have the volume up and volume down button, and then we have a play and pause button. So this is what we have it in the top. Right, left we don't have. In the bottom we have to non-slippery this one. And the good part that again I have to tell it, I am going to keep it inside to my desk space. So I can only keep put my hand inside, and I can directly turn it on and off. The good part I have to tell is they have the separate button here, which is like a slider. So when I reaching my hand inside it, I can easily recognize the button and turn it on and off, instead of they are giving it all in the same section. That I found it really useful. So now we will check the experience. After that I will show you how I connected this, how I view watch movie in this one. I will put on good scene from Snyder Cut Justice League, and I will record this audio through the camera, my DSLR camera's mic. First I will turn it on. And here I have the device. Oh, sorry.
P-Tron B2 speaker is connected.
It is already connected because I already paired it in this one. So you can see here it is already connected. The connection process is
FM mode.
Sorry, I just clicked here.
Bluetooth mode.
So now it is giving only 2 options, FM
P-Tron
or
B2 speaker is connected.
Now it is giving only 2 options, FM or this one, Bluetooth. So when you insert the SD card and other stuffs, it will give other options. The pairing process is simple. You can just hold the Bluetooth button, and you can click the pair new device, and you can see here there is a light which will emit, that is showing that it is in pairing mode. From that you can directly select the device here and you can pair it like a typical Bluetooth speaker. Now it is connected. It also shows the battery. This is having currently 80% or something. So that I don't usually believe, but yeah. Let's talk about the battery backup, and then we'll right away jump to the sound audio quality. So battery backup, as they have confirmed 10 hours, it actually lost more than 10 hours, like 10.5 hours, 10 hours, 15 minutes something. So I just, as soon as I bought it, I just started watching movies in my laptop. Straight 2-3 days I watched it. It is John Wick 1, 2, 3, Snacksiders, Justice League. That is nearly 4 hours movie. And then these 3 movies are 2 hours. And then I watched some, to test audio, I watched some YouTube videos on songs and other stuffs, which all in single charge. So as soon as I bought this, I just charged it entirely, and then I started using it. It came more than 10 hours. After that 10.5 hour, 11 hour, I just received some battery low, some notification. It just reduced the volume and it shows that indication. So battery backup is actually good in this one. So yeah, that is that. Now I will just play some audio in here.
60% off and free delivery on Zomato.
Advertisements. So right now it is in max volume, so I will keep my headphones here so that you can. So this is how the sound quality is. It is more how would I say, it is more balanced sound. It has a bass, also a little bit treble and a little bit vocal, and all are it just mixing together and giving some sort of output. If it is more bass means I usually not that much bass person. I will be like more clarity related person. So this one is somewhat bass and somewhat that clarity and mixed sound quality it is giving, especially when watching some horror movies or slatter movies. The audio quality when it is goes from the mute level to the some peak level, this one really performs well. I actually liked it, especially in the action scenes, fight scenes. When I can expect that it will ramp up the audio from the normal level to the higher level, because in the normal conversation it will follow some sort of plain audio levels, and when the music hits and the BGM hits, it will just somewhat increases the audio quality, which is some people hate it because they will set it in some volume and it will feel in some part of the movie it will just increase. But I actually like that kind of audio. Also it is not giving that reverb to vibrate the table or something. It has little bit vibration in the table feeling, but this both bushes in the bottom just observing that very well, so I am not feeling much uncomfortability in the table as I am keeping it near to my keyboard and other stuffs. So that is good thing. And now I will play the recording of how the quality actually is when watching the movie in some good quality movie. So after that we will talk about the stuffs that I hate about this speaker. Okay, so hope you guys are back now. So I hope the audio quality you guys able to somewhat understood that. So the problems that I feel is that to be honest, I didn't feel much problem in this one. I actually liked it. I bought it after reading all the stuffs and other things and the size, everything perfectly fitting my place and making my desk setup somewhat fulfilled situation. So I actually like about this product. If I want to nitpick something, few things that the light is somewhat coming through this speaker grill thing, so it is somewhat looking cheap. It is actually cheap, but they could have done better some putting the light in the back side or something. But this light is coming through this when I'm watching in the dark situation. It is more obvious, but I'm not noticing it because I'm keeping the laptop in front of this one, so I don't even usually get a good angle to see it. So that is one of the thing that they could have made it better. The second thing is it would have been with USB Type C. I don't know whether USB Type C would be much convenient. So because I have to carry another charger and things, so that is really important thing. The another major issue that I feel is the audio levels in this speaker is different from the phone or laptop that we have it. So whenever I increase the entire volume here, it may not increase in this phone. When it actually, I can understand if it is an aux cable, it won't happen, but when it connects to Bluetooth, when we increase the volume here, it should increase here as well. Now you can see it is somewhat this level of the audio, and if it is going next song, previous song and all, that is fine. Advertisements. If I just increase the volume here, long press,
Volume maximum.
here it is telling the volume is maximum, but the volume here is somewhat same that we already had it. So that is something which you need to always be aware when controlling about the audio. Also it is not that much big issue, even though but the another issue that I face is when you turn it off and on the speaker,
Bluetooth mode.
the volume will somewhat the internal volume,
Bluetooth speaker is connected.
the internal volume level of this speaker somewhat reset to 70% or something, so it won't be the same one that you set it in previous session. So again you need to, if you want to increase the volume, again you need to increase it from 70 to 100%. But sometimes when I watch video in Prime, usually I don't know whether you guys are facing, but when I watch videos in Amazon Prime, the audio is, I feel, always low. So in that situation, when I try to increase it, it is always full in my desktop, and when I click it in here, it will increase the volume, and it will, after some few seconds, it will tell the volume is maximum. So yeah, that is what more of unboxing and review of this product. So it is $999 now, it is $899. so if you are interested to buy this stuff, you can go ahead and buy. It's your wish. So yeah, I liked the speaker, so I just wanted to share with you guys, and I hope I did it with the clear idea whether you can go ahead and buy. So that's what about this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, and no need to subscribe. Okay, whatever you want, you can do it. So thank you for watching. Kotmuto.